Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a wireless light switch. Firstly, turn off the power at the breaker box to avoid electric shock. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm there's no current in the wires. Remove the wall plate of your existing switch and unscrew the switch from the wall box. Gently pull it out and inspect the wires. If your switch doesn't have a neutral wire, choose a smart light switch that works without one, such as Casa or Lutron models. Connect the line, load, and ground wires according to the switch instructions. Use wire connectors and electrical tape to secure them. If your switch requires a neutral wire but you don't have one, you can run a neutral wire from a nearby outlet or ceiling light that already has one. Fit the new smart switch into the wall box, screw it in place, and reattach the wall plate. Turn the power back on, download the Smart Switches app on your smartphone, and follow the setup steps to connect it to Wi-Fi. Most apps will automatically detect your network and ask for the password. Once connected, you'll be able to control the lights from your phone or a smart assistant like Alexa or Google Home. For a two-wire setup, connect the hot and load wires directly to the smart switch using the provided connectors, then attach the ground wire if available. Secure everything, restore power, and test the light. Yes, you can install smart switches yourself as long as you follow safety steps and the manufacturer's guide. Use the correct wiring, make sure all connections are tight, and check compatibility with your lighting system. Most smart switches need a neutral wire, but some newer ones can work without it. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult an electrician to make sure your installation is safe and fully functional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.